Hello, students, how are you? Hope that you all must be fine and must be staying safe at your home. So, now today, the chapter what we are going to discuss that is his first flight. And this chapter is written by Liam O'Flaherty. If we talk about the author, so Liam O'Flaherty was born in August 28, 1896, and he was died on September 7th, 1984. He was a major Irish novelist. If we talk about his famous works, so his famous works are The Sniper, The Informer, and Famine. These are his famous works. He was a short story writer also, and this story is one of the best stories what he has written. So, what the message exactly the author wants to give through this story? He wants to tell that every first step in life needs courage and self confidence. To cover a distance of 100 miles, we have to take a first step. It means if you want to go for a long distance, then it's a must that you should take the first step first. Then only your first step will give you confidence to go miles. So now let's see. In this story, the young seagull was afraid to fly. He lacked confidence. He was fearful of the vast expanse of sea beneath him. Means he was not getting courage to fly. His sister, his brother, and the whole family, before a day only, they started flying. They were enjoying. They took the first step and then they were now enjoying the flying. He was not trying even. Everybody tried and get the reward of it. But even he was not trying to fly. His parents, brothers, and sisters tried their level best to encourage and boost his morale. The family members, they did their duty. They tried their level best to encourage him. They made him understand that you try to fly and definitely you will be able. His wings were rather more big and capable in comparison of his brother and sisters. But he failed to collect courage. He was very hungry because the food was available in the sea and it was not possible to bring the food to him every time from the sea. And even the family members wanted that he himself should take the first step to get the food. So he was very hungry because he did not try. He tried to attract the attention of his family members for the food. He was trying that the family members should see him and they should get him the food. Only his mother felt pity on him, but she taught him a lesson in the process of giving food. She tempted him to dive on the food and fly. What mother did? Mother picked one fish and came very near to his mouth, but as soon as she reached very near to him, she took back. And this attempt made him maddened. And then what he did? He dived to catch the fish. The intelligent act of the young seagull's mother prompted him to make his first flight. So this was the act what prompted him, means encouraged him to take his first flight. And then the young seagull started flying. Ultimately, then he got food. He enjoyed his first flying. And now this lesson exactly gives us a message that ultimately our own efforts could lead us to the path of success. At the end, the young seagull could fly because he himself made an attempt. It means God also helps them who helps themselves. It means everything is with you when you are trying yourself. So do your best and get the best. So this is the message of this chapter. So now go through this chapter, then you will understand better this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.